I'm doing some crazy stuff down here, stacking up pork neck bones. I just wanted to make some nice thumbnails, that's why I'm doing this. Anyway, this part of pork is really cheaper than another part. I just bought like 4 pounds of pork neck bones, then it was only $8. As far as I know, every generation in Korea loves Gamjatang, and most of my Canadian friends love Gamjatang as well. I still remember my friends always asking me, let's go for pork bone soup, let's go for pork bone soup. And you know what? The day after you drank lots of soju, then you have a steep hangover, this is the right dish you have. So, today, I show you how to make pork bone soup, Gamjatang. The first thing you have to do, you rinse off the pork bones under cold running water. The reason is that while butchering the neck, butchers are using tabletop bandsaw to cut off the neck bones. Then there are lots of small pieces of bones on the meat and nobody wants to chew it. So you gotta rinse it off for a few times to get rid of dirty debris. Some people submerge the bones in the cold water for about 2 hours using osmosis to get rid of some odors or the blood from the bones. But I'm gonna pass it as I'm thinking rinsing is enough. Then I quickly show you main ingredients before I do prepping. 1 medium-sized potato, half of an onion, 1 pound of napa cabbage, Korean perilla leaf, 깻잎, and you have to use Korean perilla leaf, not Japanese. I found out there is big taste difference between Korean and Japanese. 2 bunches of scallion, 3 tablespoons deulkkae-garu, perilla seed powder. Okay, now it's time to make seasoning paste. 3 tablespoons of coarse red pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of fine red pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon MSG, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 3 tablespoons doenjang Korean soybean paste, 1 tablespoon gochujang Korean hot pepper paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And then gently mix it, then you're gonna get this thick paste. And here I have a boiling water, then I will quickly blanch the pork bones. This process is just to get rid of some bad smells from the pork bones and to make the soup a bit clear. This is just quick blanching, so 1 or 2 minutes blanching is just fine. Then I drain the water in the sink and change the water. Okay, here I start. The most important thing here is you start cooking with the cold water, then you're gonna get so nice pork flavor from the bone, and the meat which is attached to the bones gonna become really tender. Then I put chopped scallions and onions. Once the water boils up, you're gonna see kind of gray foam on the surface, which is some sort of debris from the bone. Then we're gonna skim it if you wanna have cloudy stuff. And then I put seasoning paste. Then I'm gonna simmer it over medium-high heat for an hour. Okay, after an hour, the broth has been reduced like that. Then I put potatoes and rest of vegetables. If you feel like it's been reduced a lot and it looks a bit salty, you can add some water. It always depends on your heat you cook. And then I cook it another half hour until the potatoes are cooked. Last step, I put 3 tablespoons of deulkkae-garu, perilla seeds powder. Okie dokie, finally it's time to plate the gamjatang. This recipe is good for 2 people, so just go for it. When I chop the scallion for the broth, I use the green part of the scallion for the garnish. That's it for today. Now you guys can make pork bone soup in your kitchen. Thank you very much for watching my video today. You don't need to subscribe my channel, but please thumbs up. 안녕.